What are the common issues that can cause Ubisoft Connect to stop working?
Welcome to this tutorial on understanding and resolving common issues that can cause Ubisoft Connect to stop working. Ubisoft Connect is a digital distribution, digital rights management, multiplayer and communications service developed by Ubisoft to provide an experience similar to the achievements offered by various other game companies. The service is provided across various platforms, and it sometimes may stop working due to various reasons. This video will help you troubleshoot some of these common problems.
Is Ubisoft Connect down?
The first question you should ask is Ubisoft Connect down? The Ubisoft servers can occasionally experience downtimes due to maintenance, updates, or unexpected issues. You can check the server status on the Ubisoft official website or on various online platforms that monitor server statuses.
Connection issues.
Ubisoft Connect might stop working due to connection issues. Check your internet connection to ensure it's stable and fast enough. Firewalls, antivirus software, and VPNs could also potentially interfere with Ubisoft Connect, causing it to stop working. You may need to adjust your settings or disable these temporarily to resolve the issue.
Software conflict.
Sometimes, other software on your computer can conflict with Ubisoft Connect. This includes other game launchers, overlay software, and performance-enhancing software. If Ubisoft Connect is crashing or not launching, try closing other applications and see if the problem resolves.
Corrupted files.
At times, Ubisoft Connect may stop working because of corrupted or missing files. Reinstalling Ubisoft Connect or verifying the integrity of your game files might solve the problem.
Outdated software.
If your Ubisoft Connect is outdated, you might encounter issues while using it. Always ensure you have the latest version of Ubisoft Connect installed. Also, make sure your computer's operating system is up to date. In conclusion, Ubisoft Connect can stop working due to server issues, connection problems, software conflicts, corrupted files, or outdated software. The methods we've discussed can help you diagnose and possibly resolve these issues. We hope this video has been helpful and gets you back into your gaming adventures without any interruptions. Happy gaming!